Good day guys, Chef Vin again, and welcome to our channel. How are you today? I just do hope that we are all doing fine despite the difficulty of situations we are facing nowadays. By the way, if you are new in this channel, after watching our video, please subscribe. On the last video, I showed you how to make a pasta dish using a tomato sauce or tomato concasse. Well, for your information, concasse means chopped, so our sauce is chopped tomato sauce. Today, I will make a pasta dish using a basic bechamel sauce. I will be using as vegetables green peas, rat ear mushroom, and carrots. And the main meat that I'll be using is a homemade chicken sausage. So, if you're ready guys, let's start. Okay guys, we will make a pasta dish. And these are all our ingredients. The sauce that we'll be using is a velouté sauce. This is a milk thickened with roux. And then I'll be using a macaroni, elbow macaroni. And for my vegetables, for the veggies, I have here a rat ear mushroom, and then green peas, and then fancy shaped carrots, and of course the chopped onions. And as I will be adding a meat, this is homemade sausage that I made. I will make this as the meat ingredient. Watch out for the next video for the recipe and how to make this homemade sausage. And of course, to spice up or to jack up the flavor of our pasta, we need the pesto, and then of course the cheese, the grated cheese, and just before we serve, we will sprinkle chopped malunggay leaves, because it's quite hard to find parsley nowadays because of the ECQ. Okay guys? Okay guys, let us start. We now have our wok here, preheated wok, and then we'll start sauteing our onions. Okay? The onions is there. We have to saute this until it is translucent. When it is translucent, we will add the rest of the ingredients. Now, we will add the velouté. Okay, so we'll just wait for this to get thickened, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Now we will add our chicken sausage, and then later on we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, now we'll add the rat ear mushrooms. Okay. Now we will add the pesto. Okay. So there you go. Pesto. Next, we'll add the cheese. And then we'll add the green peas. And then we will add the boiled pasta. Now we will add the pasta and we'll just bring it to boil. Okay. So there you are. Ingredients all together, and then we'll start to stir fry it. We simmer it a little bit before we serve it. Okay. So, okay, now guys, kompleto na. This is already almost done. A little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And then we'll finish this with cream. Okay, we will add the cream and then it's done. So, finished. This is how to use bechamel for our pasta dish. So there's a lot of vegetable, some homemade sausage, and then I just use a macaroni. But feel free to use any pasta that's available in your stock. You can use penne, rigatoni, fusilli, farfalle, or even spaghetti or fettuccine or tagliatelle or bucatini. You can use any pasta available in your stock. And then the procedure is the same. The ingredients, it could be the same, but should you want to add some more vegetable, feel free to add. Should you want to add some more processed meat, feel free to add. You can add ham, you can add crispy bacon bits, you can add other sausages if you want. So that's how to do it, guys. That's how to prepare pasta by the basic. The basic that we use is the bechamel, and then the basic procedure is sauteing. Okay, got it, guys? So we're done. We'll just transfer this in our serving plate. So guys, our pasta dish, we'll just put some grated onions on top. Okay. No, grated cheese on top, not onion. There you are. And then our chopped malunggay leaves to make it more healthy. Okay. So guys, our pasta dish for today. Well, I believe I have shown you how to use a bechamel sauce in pasta cookery. Just remember, guys, bechamel can be used with any processed meat, poultry, seafood, or for vegetarian pasta dish menu. Vegetables may also be changed or added or replaced with any vegetable in your stock. So, for our homemade chicken sausage, please wait for the actual video on how to make a homemade chicken sausage. So guys, thank you for watching and see you next video on how to make a chicken farce for my homemade chicken sausage. So, this is Chef Ben Casabon signing off. God bless us all.